stomach hurts. Something is really wrong. Leo, what happened?
Today is going to be amazing. I want to explore everything.
Me too.
Look at the ocean. It's so beautiful. Perfect beach weather.
Eat a good breakfast. We have a busy day.
Pancakes, waffles, donuts. I'll try everything. Maybe not everything. Vacation calories don't count. That's the rule.
I don't think that's a rule.
That's your third donut. Are you still hungry? Absolutely.
Slow down a little. Your stomach might disagree.
My stomach is a champion. I feel fantastic. Nothing can stop me today.
Famous last words.
Can I have ice cream? We just ate breakfast. Just one small one. Please? You're eating very fast. That's how champions do it. Maybe I should get another one. Definitely not.
That's strange. My stomach feels funny.
Funny how?
Uh-oh. I don't feel good anymore.
Is the pain getting worse? Or is it staying the same?
I think it's getting worse.
Take a few small sips. Don't drink too fast.
Maybe it was the ice cream. You ate it really fast. Maybe.
Let's see. Pancakes, waffles, donuts, and ice cream.
When you say it like that, it sounds bad.
How many donuts did you eat? Be honest.
3. 3? That's a lot.
Maybe 4.
4 donuts? That's important information.
Let's get out of the sun. The shade might help.
Good idea.
Do you feel better now? A little.
Actually, never mind. It hurts again.
Did you drink seawater? Be honest.
Maybe a tiny bit. Maybe that's it. The ocean made him sick.
Not necessarily. What if something is seriously wrong? What if I need surgery?
Let's not jump that far.
Surgery sounds scary. I don't like that idea. Nobody said surgery. Surgery sounds scary. I don't like that idea. Nobody said surgery.
There's a medical center. We can ask for advice.
Are we going in?
Yes, let's go ask.
Let's wait a little longer. See if you improve first.
Okay.
Maybe it was the waffles. They were huge. Don't blame the waffles.
You're defending the waffles?
They were innocent.
Eat something simple. Just one cracker. Okay.
Okay. That actually helps. I feel a little better. Really?
That's good news. Maybe it's passing.
Wait. Looking at food hurts again. That's not a good sign.
Maybe you simply ate too much. That's still my best guess.
Maybe.
Let's rest in the room. No more adventures right now. Agreed.
Vacations aren't supposed to be like this. Tell me about it.
How do you feel now?
Tired. Are you scared? A little.
What if I'm ruining our vacation? Everyone came here to have fun. Don't think like that.
Vacations are about family. Taking care of each other matters too.
Thanks, Mom.
The clinic is open all evening. That's reassuring.
Wait a second. I think the pain is changing.
Changing how?
It's not as strong now. Maybe it's fading. That's great!
That's the best news all day.
Let's keep resting.
Can I admit something? I may have eaten way too much.
Finally!
How much is way too much?
I forgot to tell you about the giant chocolate muffin.
A giant chocolate muffin? Why didn't you tell us earlier?
I kind of forgot.
How do you forget a giant muffin? That's important information.
I was busy enjoying it.
Let's review today's menu. This should be interesting.
Pancakes, waffles, donuts, ice cream, and a giant muffin.
It sounds worse every time. Your stomach never had a chance. That's not very encouraging.
You're feeling better now. That's a good sign.
I think so too.
I'd still feel better getting advice. Let's visit the clinic.
Just to be safe? This place isn't scary at all. That's easy for you to say.
What brings you here today?
A vacation stomach mystery.
We solve those every day.
That's reassuring. Hello, Leo. Tell me what happened today.
My stomach started hurting at the beach. Then it kept coming and going.
I see.
What did you eat today? Start from breakfast.
This may take a while.
We should probably sit down.
This is a long story.
Pancakes, waffles, 4 donuts, ice cream, and a giant muffin.
That explains quite a lot. Your stomach had a very busy day.
That's what I was afraid of.
Everything looks normal. I don't see any serious problem.
Really? So I'm not seriously sick?
Not at all. Your stomach is simply overwhelmed. It needs rest and water.
That's good news.
We were worried. That's understandable. Vacation food is exciting, but moderation is important.
Oh, lesson learned. I can't believe the muffin was the final clue. The muffin betrayed me.
How are you feeling now?
Much better.
What would you like for dinner?
Something small. That's the smartest thing you've said today. Thank you, I think.
The vacation isn't ruined after all.
I'm glad.
Sometimes a bad moment becomes a good lesson.
That's true.
What did you learn today?
Never challenge a buffet.
Any other lessons?
Ice cream is not a breakfast dessert. Today I learned something important. Having fun is great, but taking care of yourself is even more important.
That's a lesson worth remembering.